Welcome to another video of Coding Geeks. Today we will learn about the key meetings of Agile Scrum.
So, what is a Scrum? To understand a Scrum, we need to first know about Agile. Agile is an interactive and step-by-step software development methodology. Agile application development helps organize designing and planning methods, development and testing methods during a software lifecycle. All methods of Agile are based on the following principles: quick response to any changes with the help of adaptive planning, joint elaboration of requirements, rationalizations of tasks performed by the development team, step-by-step software development with a strict time frame. Agile application development lifecycle includes requirement analysis, design, development, testing, deploy, and review phases. Scrum is an agile methodology process that implements flexible process control for complex software projects. Tasks and projects are broken down into 2 weeks sprint. At the beginning of each sprint, the entire Scrum team meets together to decide what they hope to accomplish and who will be assigned which task. Throughout each sprint, Scrum teams continue to meet together to keep things moving smoothly. Before your team begins a Scrum sprint, you need to know where you are going. This is where the sprint planning meetings comes in. The purpose of a sprint planning meeting is simple. Establish what you and your Scrum team want to accomplish in this sprint and evaluate the bandwidth you have available. From there, you can plan the sprint, assigning tasks and setting deadlines. Make sure each team member understands the ins and outs of the task they are assigned. As the most frequently held Agile Scrum meetings, daily stand-up meetings are the bread and butter of Scrum sprints. They are short, to the point, and as the name suggests, held each day. They are typically the first meeting of the workday. By the end of a stand-up meeting, each team member should have answered 2 questions. What did I accomplish yesterday and what I am going to accomplish today? Stand-up meetings are also a time for team members to bring up any roadblocks they are facing. Sprint review meetings are held at the end of each sprint. This meeting is an opportunity for you and your team to demonstrate what you have accomplished to the product owner and other stakeholders outside of your team. As you demonstrate new product features and functionality, allow the product owner and other stakeholders to respond to you and evaluate your work. Agile methodology relies on open and frequent conversations. As you and your team document, respond to, and act on feedback, remember that these conversations help create a better product. Just like review meetings, a sprint retrospective meeting is held at the end of each sprint, whereas review meetings include the product owner and other stakeholders. Retrospective meetings are primarily for benefits of your Scrum team. There is usually no need to get outside players involved. During a sprint retrospective meeting, address these questions with your Scrum team. What went right? What went wrong? And what could we do differently next time? Product backlog refinement meetings occur between sprints, usually just once per interim, but you could always schedule another if needed. This meeting is your chance to add clarifying details, establish deliverables, and prioritize the tasks in your backlog. A thorough product backlog refinement meeting makes your life easier.